What is the meaning of discharge in bankruptcy? Have you ever wondered what happens to debts when a business or individual files for bankruptcy? One key term you will encounter is discharge. So, what does discharge mean in the context of bankruptcy? Let's break it down. In simple terms, a discharge is a court order that releases a person or business from certain debts they owe to creditors. Once a discharge is granted, the debtor is no longer legally required to pay those specific debts. This is a significant aspect of the bankruptcy process, as it allows individuals and businesses to start fresh financially by eliminating the burden of overwhelming debt. The discharge process typically occurs after the debtor fulfills the necessary requirements of their bankruptcy case. For instance, in Chapter 7 bankruptcy, the discharge is usually granted a few months after filing. This happens once the trustee has distributed any available assets to creditors. On the other hand, in Chapter 11 bankruptcy, the discharge happens after the debtor completes payments under a confirmed plan, which can take several years. It is important to note that not all debts can be discharged in bankruptcy. Certain obligations, such as taxes, student loans, and debts incurred through fraud, are generally not dischargeable. Additionally, secured creditors may still enforce liens on property even after a discharge. This means they can claim the property if it is sold or if payments are missed. From a practical standpoint, a discharge in bankruptcy serves as a powerful tool for individuals and businesses looking to restructure their finances. It prevents creditors from taking legal action or contacting the debtor to collect on discharged debts. This provides a legal shield against further collection efforts. When it comes to liquidating a business in bankruptcy, a discharge can be particularly beneficial. It allows the business to close its operations without the burden of outstanding debts, giving a clean slate for any future business ventures. However, it is essential to remember that the discharge does not eliminate all financial obligations, especially those related to secured assets or non-dischargeable debts. Understanding the meaning of discharge in bankruptcy is vital for anyone considering this option. It can provide relief and a new beginning, but it is crucial to be aware of what debts can and cannot be discharged.